As you guys can see, I'm doing some transfers from this old laptop to the brand new M1 Max Pro whatever, because I have plans to format this laptop and give it to my dad. Yes, I decided not to sell the old laptop because we need backup. In case, God forbid, something happens to the new laptop, we have Apple Care and all that, but still, if I have to submit the laptop for a repair, it will take at least a couple of days and I'll become handicapped. And a vlogger without a camera and a laptop, it's like a soldier without a gun on a war field. Anyways guys, it feels so excited to be back in this room. I know I'm acting as if it's been like almost more than a year since I've been in this room, but even a couple of days feels very nostalgic, feels very emotional. Reason being, I'm here in this house for almost 18 years, and the same feeling I had when we left our old house. When we came to the new house, this particular house, I did not really like it. It took some time to adjust. Same thing is happening with the new house as well. Now definitely it is better than day one, but yes, slowly getting there. It doesn't give me that feel or the vibes that I get in this house. Once again, Kush Kabri mein, let's give the intro. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Elana, hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to the home sweet home, or should I say room sweet room. So let me finish this transfers and format it and give it to my dad. Oh yes, he has a laptop which is very old. I think he found it in Mahabharat War or something, which has Intel Celeron M processor. And oh yes, what else did you guys observe? The new crisp hairstyle of Sriman Kotaru. Looks nice, looks crisp, looks clean. That is more important. By the way, transfer is still happening. I don't understand one thing about Apple. Most of its stuff is super seamless and amazing, right? But somehow, if you want to transfer from MacBook to MacBook via a cable, via iCloud and all, it is very easy, but then you have to pay for extra storage on iCloud. Why can't I just plug in a wire from this one to this one? I should be able to dump everything from the old laptop to the new laptop within like seconds. Maybe it is possible and there are workarounds, but it's not straightforward. Apart from this, one more thing. A lot of my subscribers say one thing. Sriman, thanks to you, we are watching your vlogs and we are able to learn a lot of English. In fact, one of my subscribers, it seems he cracked an interview recently. After watching my vlogs for the last 1 year, he learned a little bit of good English. Not that my English is like super great. It gets the job done. You can get through an interview and you can have good conversations with people. I was not like this before. I always used to get scared whenever I used to go meet my dad's friends in parties. They all used to speak good English and I used to get scared and run away from them. Hamara pura English was like yes, no, alright types. But then definitely have to thank Pooja, because when I met her, my English was okay. But as you keep talking to people more and more, as you keep practicing it more and more, slowly your English gets definitely better. So if you can find someone with whom you can talk in English all the time, then slowly you get used to it. And then after a couple of days or weeks or maybe months, your English will definitely get better. So the second way, which might be helpful to most of you guys, if you don't have anyone to talk to, you can talk to yourself in English. You need to start thinking in English. Every one of us talk to ourselves in our head, right? Like when I feel hungry, I think, "Arey aakal hai sundra bhai, arey bhook lag raha yaar." Same thing, you start thinking in English. I'm hungry right now, I need to eat something. You need not say it out. You need to think about that in your head. This way, you train your mind to talk in English to yourself. At first, it is difficult, but slowly when you keep doing it, you get used to it and then you become kind of fluent in your head. In fact, there is a dedicated course on Udemy on how to master this particular technique. It is called Building Your English Brain. Apart from this, in this course, he also explains you how you can use movies, TV shows, books, reading in general, how you can use all this to improve your speaking skills. I'll link that course in the description box below. This particular course is available on Udemy. Udemy is a top online learning platform which offers a wide variety of high quality courses on in-demand and relevant skills that add value. Best part is these courses are designed by passionate practitioners and professionals around the world, and all these are available at affordable prices. You see, learning never ends. Especially in today's rapidly changing competitive world, it requires all of us to learn new skills faster and more frequently than ever. Unfortunately, most of the education that we receive till now, it is not actually relevant to real world job roles. Times have changed, everything has progressed. I feel even the way we learn and educate ourselves, that needs to progress as well. You can learn meaningful and in-demand skills like digital marketing, tech, coding, data science, just to name a few. I mean, sky's the limit. There are many courses that interest you and that make sense to you. Udemy is the perfect destination for anyone to acquire new skills from the world's best instructors in their time and in the moment of need, at the time, place and pace of choosing. Also, you can check out the reviews written under every course, written by actual students themselves. Do check out the links in the description box below. Check out Udemy. The learning curve should always keep going up. Or the transfers have finished and I think the old laptop is again brand new. See there? That's all good. Let's go give this to my dad. Hey. What are you guys doing? Huh?
I'm upside down.
What?
I'm sleeping.
Hey, Badmash. Hey. Zura చూస్తలేదు.
Tata gave phone for me.
తాత మీద దోసావా?
Yeah.
నీకెవరు ఇచ్చారు? Who gave you phone?
Mom.
నువ్వు మామ్ మీద దోసావా? I should come out now. We'll go out and play. We'll go out and play. Did you go for the ride today?
She is not with the phone from morning. I gave it late only.
She said, who gave the phone with the mom? तेरे ऊपर डाल दिया.
Motu? No, I gave the phone, but right now, for morning they're playing with these kittens. Yeah. I'll not give her so much time.
No, but what is
and
this?
because she wanted to
Seriously, what
take
is this?
her up.
They're animated.
She started vlogging because she got a haircut.
2 days I did not vlog because I was looking so dirty and bad. Both mothers have sleepless nights.
Yeah, seriously, last time I was
You also didn't sleep?
but I got up. What to do? This girl woke me up.
For me, because of migraine,
Oh.
I didn't wake up. I
For
took
me, not
tablet.
migraine.
It seems
this woman,
Tukku woke her
she
up
was
all of a
full, no,
sudden
she
and she
didn't
have
touch
this
up, didn't have
heavy
anything.
migraine now.
So 4
Yeah.
o'clock she's hungry.
Same thing
Puri
with
raat,
Pooja.
it's like, oof.
I don't know what happened to her, but she was also on you all the time.
Yeah, she was on me whole night on my stomach. I was like,
Same thing. She slept on me. My mom was pulling. Firbi, she was not going.
Genuine complaints from mothers. Very tough. Very, very
yeah,
tough.
I wish there were role reversals for a day.
They don't want dads, they
don't
want
even
moms.
want.
I'm
Yeah.
okay. I'm fine taking her, but
They
she doesn't want
want
to come.
mama only.
She wants mom's comfort only. Yeah, even when we feel sick, even at this age, we want mom, not papa. Even if mom doesn't do anything, if she's there, we feel good inside. That's some positive vibe we get. What would you do if you were in Canada?
Edusta.
Mummy kavali.
Mummy కావాలి.
We were all quickly going out for a family trip, and not like a big trip, just for a basic lunch. By the way, before that, yesterday we took this treatment out for a small spin. I think around 20 kilometers up and down. Felt really good. After coming back from my major trip on the BMW, then I'll be taking this back home. Sriman Kotaro is doing his duty.
Yay!
No one helps me with all this.
You don't need help with all this. You're good at this.
Luckily, there in my new house, there is a guy who cleans my car every day. So every time I go down, the car is
What?
clean and polished. But here, we have to do our own stuff. But good thing is, we get nice cardio.
Yeah, see, Zishan will be so happy. कुछ तो कर रहे हैं तू.
By the way, today I'm not vlogging on the big camera. Oh yeah. No, by the way, I'm not vlogging on the big cam.
Making this famous with the puke frog. Come.
But by the way, I'm not vlogging on the big camera because the place we're going to, Alankrita, we are not allowed to take cameras inside. Especially when they see that big camera, they'll ask for permission and all that. iPhone is good, by the way. Naisha's puke frock is back. Everyone is looking nice and clean, tiny shiny new clothes, but Naisha has to wear these old clothes because puke. Towel and bucket because in case she pukes, we need all those tools.
Listen, Avi, come this way. I'll take this way.
Okay, the Kotaro family is going out.
Naisha, look there, baby. Look there.
Priya.
Anaya, come here, move your hand.
Don't talk, okay? Anyone? Okay, Kotaro family going out for a small outing. We are going to Alankrita. Priyanka Kotaro, Ashok Kotaro, Sriman Kotaro, Pooja Mishra Kotaro,
Yes. As per a man.
Vimla Kotaro, Anaya Kotaro,
No. Anaya Sharma.
Naisha Kotaro.
That everyone knows.
All going for a quick outing to Alankrita. See you there.
Okay.
By the way, we are going in the Kia Seltos. Pooja, me.
And she started crying.
Pooja, me and Naisha, and they are coming. The orange, hamara nostalgic Varna. Reason being, we need 2 cars because it's 8 of us, including the kids. It's 8 of us.
Yeah.
So Pooja with her chidi tindlu. What is this called in Hindi?
कचरा बोलते हैं हम हिंदी में.
Pooja got all that kachra, but you know sometimes they're really helpful.
Yes.
When I really feel hungry, suddenly she'll take out a peppermint.
Bye, it seems. We're going.
They are also coming,
They're also
Naisha.
coming, beta. Everyone is going. हम सब साथ में जा रहे हैं, okay?
हम सब साथ साथ है.
Oh my god.
We reached.
1 second.
Exactly, we got 12.2 kilometers per liter, 21.5 kilometers, 1 hour 3 minutes. But yes, we had to stop. The reason it took us 1 hour 3 minutes is because puke. We had to do the puke session. Nowadays, even our audience is getting used to that. Sriman, Pooja and Naisha are going out, which means they have to stop for puking session. So now everyone is ready with the masks. That's important. Mask.
Yeah.
Mask. Very cute, Naisha.
So cute, Naishu. Come.
You know, we used to come here for bike rides.
I came with you for one
Breakfast
bike
ride. Sorry, not bike ride. You have to call it breakfast ride.
I came with you once, I remember.
Yeah.
We had breakfast also
On the Benelli.
on the Benelli.
The Benelli 600i. Do you remember something? Our first office party was here, Google में.
Yeah, where we got really close.
Especially we took photos here, this place.
We
Let-
both sneaked out to take pictures.
And no one knew that time that both of us were dating and all that. It was fun. पूरा office के साथ we came and no one knew that we were both dating.
Actually, some people had doubts, but obviously.
People had doubts, obviously. I'll try to find some pictures. If I find them, I'll put it in this video. Hey, actually we have. And you know what? I gave a performance, piano pe.
Yes, and my boss was like, Pooja, you really seem to like this guy.
Okay, so whoever sits in this main place unfortunately has to pay the bill.
It's your sis.
Today's my sis.
I only sis.
I need to shift places.
Come, Naishu.
People who need to pay the bill, they need to sit here. Since you're paying the bill.
Since you're paying the bill.
By the way, both moms are busy enjoying because their kids are on the phones
Enjoying it.
for some time. You quickly finish your food, otherwise
We continue.
once they put the phones down, you people have to go running. For now they're busy. Meanwhile, we are having some chicken mancha soup. Sister is not having. She's already become very old. She's having a lot of problems.
Shriman is giving treats, so he said, "Akka paisa lekapothe akka నీ తాగా."
అందుకో సూప్ తగ్గించావా?
మా తమ్ముడు పైసలు ఓకే అన్నాడు. అది ఆర్డర్
చెక్ రాసిస్తా అని చెప్పా. I told her I'll give her a check so she can order anything. She ordered a sizzler.
మరి చెక్ రాసి ఇచ్చేంత లేదురా ఇది.
Manchuria sizzler. That's
ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయిపోయింది.
chicken sizzler. Acting started. The danger started. Phone is down. This phone is still active. This is out and she's acting already. Look at that acting. Look at that acting. And that is peri peri chicken sizzler. And that is my tandoori chicken. By the way, I'm not back to diet, but I'm trying to eat healthy a little bit today. After a long time, I'm having tandoori chicken.
ఊరికే టైట్ చేయండి, లావ్ అవుతున్నారు, ఈ సుత్తంతా చెప్పకండి. నేను వచ్చాను కాబట్టి అది ఏమని తింటాడు, నేను ఏమన్నా తింటా.
Look at this putty. Alone and running somewhere, parents are somewhere else. The main reason we came to Alankrita is because we have all this nice space around to run around. Especially for these two tingus.
I saw you running.
Okay, successfully made out without paying the bill. I mean, I didn't pay the bill. My sister paid the bill today. Bill was around
వేయాల్సి వచ్చింది బాబు.
It was some Canadian dollars.
just 65 Canadian dollars including tax.
అబ్బా రియల్లీ ఇట్ ఇస్ చీప్.
Very cheap, $60 only.
Yes, yes. Because there we eat very little and we pay almost $100.
Very
And
expensive
then we
country.
pay $20 tip also, $10, $20 depending on the place.
Oh, by the way, you can't give tip how much ever you want.
Ayyo,
You have
ikkada
to
అయితే
give
food.
10% for sure.
No, here we gave $2 tip, 100 rupees.
See,
Not even 100, right?
Universal rule is 10%.
10% you have to give
10%
tip
of your
anywhere you go.
10% of your bill.
No, here we don't even give tips sometimes. You have to
By the way,
tip.
that reminds me of our days when we used to date.
Arey, once, you know, we went to Hard Rock Cafe. The bill was around 3,000 rupees. Pooja came and gave a tip of 300 rupees.
No, listen, because
I
I
was like-
like the service. If I like it, I'll pay. If I don't like it, I'll not pay.
No, I was like, tip is no, up is no.
Shima
thought
was
he'll
like,
give
मेरे
it.
को दे दो.
Are you giving a tip or are you giving a loan?
Yeah.
300 rupees who gives tip, dude?
अरे बेचारा, he did well. Yeah, what is it?
I mean,
He was good.
now it's fine.
Ah, now why is it fine?
That time my salary was only 3,000 rupees.
Ah.
And you give 300 rupees tip.
That is why he said give it to me.
That's why I was like,
I
tip
was
is no,
like-
up is no.
He looked at me for 2 minutes. He's like, huh? What is this for?
No,
I
but
said,
actually, it's a good practice to give 10%.
10% of your bill. That is
of your
universal
bill.
rule.
So if you're making a bill of 5,000 rupees, 500 rupees you have to give.
Bhakti, she lost. Pooja,
Shima and I used to have.
daily she used to have laddie. Full.
Finally, Naisha has found her territory. We all came back from the quick outing from Alankrita and we're all crashed like this. Chilling, sleeping. Anaya, what is my daughter's name?
Nisa.
You know, how do you spell Naisha in Canadian?
Nisa.
It's not Naisha, it's Nessa.
Nisa.
Nessa.
Nisa.
Nessa. By the way, tonight I'm going back to the new apartment. I'll meet my sister after 2 or 3 days. No, actually tomorrow I'm coming back. The reason I'm going to my new apartment is to get some stuff because we are going for the ride. We got permission. But much needed because I'm just paying EMI for my BMW. Since the last 6 months I'm not riding it, so I really desperately want to take the bike in the next 3-4 days, because after that we don't want to enter the new year without taking the bike. Within 2021 I have to finish one ride. I want to squeeze in one ride. So let's do it. I think I'll go for 5th day. I'll be back. 2022 mein we'll start bigger rides. We have bigger plans. Canada ka bhi plan hai, but not now. I think mid of 2022 we'll plan that. I'll come pakka. We'll make international vlogs in Canada. బండి వేసుకొని కదా అక్కడికి వచ్చి విల్ టేక్ బైక్ ఆన్ హైర్, దెన్ విల్ రైడ్ ఫ్రమ్ టాప్ టు బాటమ్ ఇన్ కెనడా. We'll come there to Canada and then again there also we'll ride only. Bye Naisha, we're leaving you and going, okay? Bye bye.
See you. Good night.
Bye. Bye Anaya.
Good night.
Bye bye.
Nana, if I got
Bye, take care.
Okay, we are leaving home. It shows exactly 1 hour. Actually, we wanted to leave around 7 o'clock, which showed me a crazy 1 hour 40 minutes. Now it's around 9:40 p.m. So it's showing us just 1 hour. Once again, the plan is to go home. The reason I'm going home is, I told you already, need to get my stuff. Come back here again maybe tomorrow.
But you said you get the street win, no?
No, abhi, tomorrow ke liye.
Acha, for tomorrow.
Maybe I start the ride from there because, first ride from there. For now, yeah, we're going back. Right now, Naisha is still enjoying her
She's sucking her sour juice.
sour chewies.
Naishu?
Naishu, last trip today, I know, double dose ho gaya aaj.
She's very
Morning
tired
almost 1 hour of a drive and then back 1 hour. Now again 1 hour we're going. So just hold on Naishu, don't ruin my car please.
सुबह तो 2 बार हो गया.
So I think I'll see you guys directly at home.